Hola, welcome to Viva Tutor. I'm sure you've heard and read law many times in Spanish, but it doesn't seem to always have the same meaning or translation. So today we're going to see the different meanings of law. So the law always refers to something bigger or something that was mentioned before. The first thing that it can refer to is an it, a masculine singular it. So one example would be el periódico, which is a masculine singular word in Spanish, the newspaper. I could say, lo leo cada mañana. I read it each morning. The second thing that it can refer to is a him, which is the same masculine singular word, but referring to a person this time. So for example, I could talk about mi amigo, my friend, a male friend in this case, because it has to be masculine and singular. And I could say, lo veo a menudo. I see him often. The lo refers to him, mi amigo, my friend. The third thing that it can refer to is an action, a verb. It makes sense that we use lo, a masculine singular word, for an action because we have to go for the default, which is always a masculine singular in Spanish. So for example, the lo could refer to playing football, jugar al fútbol. And I could say, lo hago el fin de semana. I do it in the weekend. And the it, the lo, would be jugar al fútbol, to play football. The fourth one will be a describing word. So for example, if I say, no sabía que Miguel era tan listo, I didn't know Miguel was so clever, pero lo es, but he is it. Then in this case, the it, the lo, refers to listo, refers to clever. In English, you just say he is, but in Spanish, we have to say he is it. He is clever. Now, number 5 is a little bit different. It means the thing, and this is very generic, usually talking about opinions. For example, lo importante es, the important thing is, or lo esencial, the essential thing. Lo que más me gusta, the thing I like the most. Lo mejor, the best thing. Lo peor, the worst thing, etc., etc. Number 6 is going to be a lo que combination, and it's going to mean what. For example, no sé lo que quieres. I don't know what you want. Or hago lo que me apetece. I do what I feel like, or I do what I fancy. Number 7 is another lo que combination, but it means which in this case, usually given an opinion on something happening or an action. For example, Juan me saludó, Juan greeted me or said hi to me, lo que me gustó, which I liked. Or Lucía dejó su trabajo, Lucía quit her job or left her job, lo que me sorprendió, which surprised me. So that is it. Those are the 7 meanings of law. And now I'm going to put some translations on the screen. So a good practice would be to translate the sentences, but also to see what the law refers to, what it means in those different translations. So it would be maybe the thing, or maybe refers to an it or a him. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to press the notification bell button if you want to know when I upload a new video. And see you soon. Hasta la próxima. Ciao.